Hi guys, I'm inside of Dollar Tree and right at the front they have all of the fall glassware, tableware, drying cloths, towels, and I came across these buffalo check towels. I see family and blessed. Those were the only two that I saw. Don't worry, I went back and fixed those. And then I saw that they brought in the chargers. These are little plastic chargers, or not little, they're the regular size of a charger, and they are black on the bottom. And I was trying to look and see if they had any words on them, but they're just the plain buffalo check. They have all of the drying mats, the bowls, the oven mitts, pot holders, all of the fall dishware. New Halloween decor are these tinsel decor pieces with the eyeballs, the jack-o'-lanterns, and the ghosts. And then this was new. The color of it caught my eye. It's not a foam like the other tombstones. This one is really thin, but the paint job on it is really interesting. Look at the back of it. This iridescence that it has to it. So it does have a little hole right there where the price tag is, where you can hang it up on the wall. These tea light candle holders and jack-o'-lanterns, a ghost, and they also have a smiling skull. And they brought these skulls back. There's two different kinds. This one with the movable jaw, and then they have this one with just a set face. It's not movable at all. And then look what someone did with these tea light candle holders. I thought that was funny. I just wanted to show that to you guys. They put some of the scarves out at this store. If you want to see all the scarves that they have, click the link in the description box and I'll show all of the scarves to you that I found at another Dollar Tree. Here are some accessory kits for costumes. This one is broken. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like, what it should look like using the one behind it. And this little devil set is the last one. I found this Kool-Aid popping candy. So I guess it's like Pop Rocks. And the Scary Berry was the only flavor that I could find. I've never seen this before. That was new. And on the end cap, I saw these sour face twisters. Look how long these are. Had to back all the way up just to get the full thing into the shot. I found these new crates with handles. I have not seen these type before. They are bigger than these, which are the crates that I'm used to seeing at Dollar Tree. And I'm just putting them side by side so you can see that they are larger. They also don't really have a space in between. It's sort of engraved. And they brought back these wooden animals, the fish. They kind of move back and forth. They have a lizard. This one is the shark. Looks like it has a smile on its face. And the snakes. Over in the candle section, I found a few sort of summer fragrances. And this one was new, salted watermelon and cilantro. It actually smelled pretty good. They have more of the gourd vases and the little wax warmer with the bees and the flowers that I showed you guys in a previous walkthrough. And then I found these candle holders. This one sort of has a milk glass effect. I like the shape of it. They also have it in clear. It comes in red as well, and the red is more of a milk glass look as well. And then the last color that I found it in was blue. And again, it has that milk glass effect. Look at these cute, fun, bright ribbons that I found over in the floral section. Had not seen those before at any Dollar Tree. And then I found this toning loop band. It said it is a light resistance, but I have not seen these at Dollar Tree before either. There were just two of them hanging on the end cap there. And here are some of the neoprene masks that Dollar Tree has for sale. All the different patterns that they have. They have a lot of camouflage in different colors. They even have the digital camo in a couple of different colors. They have the gray, black, and white, as you just saw. And they also have this one, which has more blues in it. And of course, they have the surgical masks. They have a lot of these OxyClean Pet Fresh carpet odor eliminators, and it's just over 1 pound of that. And if you went to Target right now, you would pay way more than $1 for that. And look at this, it is a strawberry shortcake. It said only at Target, but it's completely in French. And I found this season 5, volume 2 of Yu-Gi-Oh! If you know anyone who likes anime, there were a couple of those in there. And then I found this story on Ted DiBiase, if you're into Ted DiBiase. And then I saw or found this DVD of Christina Aguilera. I know she's got a lot of diehard fans, so this would make a great gift. In the dish section, I found these small salad melamine plates. They say blessed, faith, cherish, and the last one that I found said family. I don't know why they had them spread out through the store, but they did. The large chargers I found up by the door right when you walked in. And then I found this coffee mug that matches the fall tumblers. And then I saw this one, which is also a fall pattern. I had not seen this one before. I like the little wood effect on it. Renews It has this snuggle fragrance and homemade apple pie. So I was thinking, it says limited edition, so I'm thinking it's a seasonal scent or fragrance. And then they have the regular snuggle fragrance and linen escape. Have you guys seen these before? I don't really pay attention to this section, but it caught my eye for some reason. They also have this blissful apple and cinnamon. This caught my eye, these Brillo wet sweeper cloth refills, and there are 8 of them in there. And then they brought back the dryer balls. They have them in this dark blue, and they also have them in gray. Comment below if you've used these and let me know how they work. These were all of the socks that they were putting out. These blue and white checked socks kind of caught my eye. They look pretty warm and fuzzy. I'm sorry if you can hear a conversation. That's actually me talking to the young lady who was stocking this area. And she was telling me how she stocked Christmas items. in another aisle. So that is a whole different video. I'll link that one for you, and you'll see all the things that Dollar Tree has for Christmas. In the meantime, they do have the buffalo check drying mat and the matching coffee cups. They have all of the same words that the salad plates have: cherish, blessed, family, and faith. And they have the matching cold cut tumblers with a straw as well. On the round display, I saw these cute little trinket jars, and the tops of them have like the little rubber stopper on them. There were these three, and there was also a fourth one with a gray top with a rooster on it, but someone came and grabbed it before I could get it in the video. I found these portable drinking straw sets in blue, white, and black. And these are great to keep in your car so we won't harm nature with our plastic straws. They're washable and reusable. And they have these little pumpkin trays. Look how pretty that looks from the back. You take that sticker off and do a DIY with that. So there's that one that has the silver effect on the back, and this one that has sort of a pearl finish to it. I found this sidewalk chalk stencil set over in the toy section. I had not seen that before. This was the only one that I saw there. And in the beauty section, I found a couple of new masks. This one is for under your eyes, and this one is for in the shower with sea kelp and probiotics. If you've tried those, let me know how you like them. And then I wanted to show you some of the glasses that Dollar Tree has. Some pretty nice ones and cute ones that you can get for just $1. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed. I have linked the Christmas walkthrough in the description box, so you can watch that if you'd like to see what Dollar Tree has for Christmas 2020. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.